morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy to overcast conditions across the region. This morning, seeing primarily upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region, and we'll continue to see that mostly cloudy to overcast sky throughout much of the day today. And in general, we'll see that filtered sunshine across the region. Seeing some warmer temperatures today in the mid-50s today for highs, as we'll have a clipper moving well north of our region that's going to allow for some warmer air to move in the area for today. No chance of precipitation or lightning today, and in general, winds will be fairly light. Seeing a quick increase of those southerly winds for later today with a sea breeze moving in the region, but overall, they'll be under the 25 knot criteria we have for wind advisory. Looking at our surface analysis, we do have high pressure off the coast this morning. We have a stationary boundary north of our region, an area low pressure across the Great Lakes. And we'll see this area low pressure continue to move well north of our region and giving us those mild conditions across the area today and into our Wednesday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region, also seeing some lower level cloudiness, very similar to yesterday, trying to move in from the south and from the west towards our region, and we'll most likely see a ceiling around 3,000 to 4,000 feet from time to time once we move into the mid to late afternoon hours today. But overall, in general today, as I mentioned, that mostly cloudy to overcast sky, primarily in the upper levels today. And taking a look at the European model here for the next few days, that clipper moves well north of our region today into the overnight hours. That's going to force a cold front through the region for early tomorrow morning, and we'll see some post-frontal weak cold air advection tomorrow. That's going to allow us to see some breezy conditions, and with those winds coming over the mountains, we'll see those temperatures warm, and with that only that weak cold air advection, we'll see temperatures tomorrow into the upper 50s to lower 60s, so a nice day across the region. Wednesday into Thursday, we'll see a high pressure build in for Thursday morning. That's going to give us a chilly start for Thursday, possibly seeing temperatures in the mid to lower 30s across the area to start out the day. And then for Thursday afternoon, we'll see temperatures warm once again in the lower 50s as high starts to move off the coast for Thursday night into Friday. We'll see a cold front and several areas of low pressure moving off to our west from Friday through Sunday. But overall, looks like we only have a slight chance of a rain shower on Friday as this area high pressure remains in control. Better chance of rain comes on Saturday and as well into Sunday. With this stronger area low pressure moving into the Great Lakes. We'll see a warm front stretching across the Mid-Atlantic region. And then finally on Sunday morning, looks like we'll have this cold front move through, and that gives us once again a high-end chance of some rain showers for Sunday morning. And seeing warm temperatures ahead of that, however, for Friday into Saturday with temperatures in the 60s. Sunday right now could be seeing another warm day depending on the timing of this cold front on Sunday. Looks like it should come through during the morning hours, but if it does lag a bit to the afternoon, we should see those temperatures once again in the 60s for until that cold front moves through. And then into Sunday afternoon, the evening hours, I mentioned, European model here has that cold front moving through, some breezy conditions, cooler weather, more towards seasonable averages for our Sunday afternoon and into our Monday. Looks like we'll have another chilly air mass in store over the region. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, green chart across the board, high today expected at 56 degrees. That's about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Overnight low well above normal, about 15 degrees above normal at 46. We'll see those winds I mentioned briefly increasing this evening out of the south to southwest, about 8 to 13 knots, possibly gusting as high as 18 to 19 knots during the late evening into the early overnight hours as that surge of warmer air moves in with the system moving well north of our region. And then we'll see that cold front start to approach by about 8 local on Wednesday morning with a west-southwesterly to westerly component of our winds at 7 to 12 knots. Our terminal forecast today, we'll see in general VFR conditions, as I mentioned, we could have that ceiling around 3,000 feet move in for the late afternoon hours, but in general should see those ceilings well above 3,000 feet and into the upper levels today. Let's move in tomorrow morning. We'll see some drier air move in and seeing only a few clouds around 4,000 feet. Our tides are running normal, and looking at our Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday here, see a orange for our winds. As I mentioned, with that weak cold air advection, we'll see some breezy conditions with gusts near 25 knots. But in general, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and breezy conditions, a high of 60 degrees for Wednesday. So a nice day across the region with those temperatures in the 60s. For Wednesday night, mostly clear with light winds overnight. We'll see a low of 35. Inland locations on Thursday morning should see those temperatures near freezing. And for Thursday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, a high of 51 degrees. Green chart across the board, a bit chillier on Thursday with that high directly overhead. And for our next 7 days, as I mentioned on Friday into Saturday, those warm temperatures, about 15 degrees above normal for this time of year, at 63 on Friday, 64 on Saturday, and some guidance is showing those temperatures a little bit warmer than 64 on Saturday, but right now still going with the lower to mid-60s for our Saturday. Sunday, big temperature forecast in question here of what the timing of that cold front is. Right now going with a high of 50, but overall models have trended slower with that cold front, and could be seeing those temperatures into lower 60s until that cold front moves through. So depending on the timing of this cold front on Sunday, could be seeing those temperatures a bit warmer. And then for Monday, back to more seasonable averages in the mid to upper 40s, overnight lows near freezing, and looking like high pressure builds in, so some mostly sunny skies expected. Our rain shower chances come in late Friday, with the best chances come late Saturday into Sunday morning with that cold front moving through. But overall, looks like Saturday and Sunday would be the days where we see the rainfall. Friday looks like a fairly dry day, and right now capping those chances at 50% for Saturday and a Sunday, and we'll refine that forecast based upon the timing of that cold front moving through. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.